that. Them fake person shit. Hell,
How y'all feel about fans come to Chicago and taking pictures by Von Muir and going to O-Block?
Yeah, that shit weird as hell. Bro, they making it seem like that's some motherfucking museum or something.
That's not nothing to be cool about, bro.
Fools out here doing the same shit we was doing. He just got old and got on, folks, because of the niggas he was around. You feel me? Like Dirt, he was already on, so that shit had put him in play. Then he already was locked up for some drama. They fans say about that body. They gon', ooh, he really like that. Ooh, at the bam, get the dick ring. That's all that is, folks.
How y'all feel about fans picking sides and be on some police shit, like on the internet?
Man, that shit weird, bro. All that trolling, all that shit. Look, let me address this. All that screen recording, y'all be doing all this trolling. Y'all be smoking woo at the bam. Y'all say the ops fucking y'all up or something. Just saying anything goofy, just trolling, folks. Motherfucker, that shit can come back on y'all, folks. Like, y'all really don't know what you can do with these apps. Like, on my dear brother, motherfucker can really see your low.
If you, like, say you motherfucker do all that woofing out of town, you really come to the city, you'll be like,
motherfucker, get up with you.
It's different, motherfucker. Like, you know you gonna see that face.
Fun, you feel me?
You gonna see that face.
I like one motherfucker text me. I tell his ass, bro, why you always playing on me? He say, I just love to play with Chicago motherfuckers. Like, that's something they love to do before they act like this shit again. This shit ain't nothing to play with, especially with these apps you use these days. Yeah, they ain't even know you can see your low when you're on Instagram. They ain't even know they doing all this troll, motherfucker. Make that one click, see where you at. Put your ass right on mute.
How y'all feel about all these shorties committing all these carjacking and shit, man? All this shit going on in Chicago.
They just do that. They do that to slide. Do that to slide to get buddy. It's slide.
But like y'all doing y'all thing.
Slide and to get money. Those only two things.
Yeah, they doing their thing. We ain't on that.
But that's only two things. Really, slide, get money out the bitch. If you joy riding that bitch, you slow. I ain't gonna lie. Back then, we was like 13 and shit. When we first started stealing them bitches. Yeah, we joy riding them bitches, but you get caught for the bitches. No need to be in the bitches if you don't got a gun in that bitch trying to go do something in that bitch.
Cause that's
no reason for you to be in the car,
building up cases.
Building up cases, police know your ass.
When you get older,
they know your face.
You ain't going no, you can't fly nowhere. Your ass ain't getting no job, no nothing. Your life fucked up. That's what they say, folks. You get one felony, folks, it's over with. Your life over with, folks.
Y'all feel like in Chicago in the summertime be deadlier than the wintertime?
Hell nah.
You know it is.
Not really, folks.
But that's to us, folks.
Yeah.
Cause you know how we get in the winter, folks.
Yeah.
It just. But in the summer it do get like that too.
Yeah, it get like
in the summer it get like that. It's better for us in the wintertime, folks. It's better for us in the wintertime.
That's why I feel like that. That's why he feel like that.
But in the summertime,
what's your input?
Everybody going.
I feel like motherfucker, the wintertime, cause motherfucker be outside, loafing, cold, you feel me? It be delays on the cars, motherfucker hopping out of cars, delays on the buses. If I'm saying it right, don't mind me, I'm high as fuck off this jerk. Motherfucker missing buses, all type of shit. Motherfucker start walking, car break down, car won't start up cause it's too froze or something, folks. Chucking 8 feet, thinking it's sweet. On a G, motherfucker get clapped. Yeah, and stoves trying to.
Soon they turn their head, you see them.
Snotty nose, big coat on, acting like motherfucker don't know who it is. We see you, boy.
Yeah, y'all don't be hanging out in the park no more.
Hell no, motherfucker know that side shit.
Hell no.
Like back in the day, folks had that bitch on lock. 14, 16,
got that bitch on lock.
16, folks had that bitch on lock.
We used to go up there. Every back to school parade.
Every back to school we up there getting book bags and shit, folding them up there. Then when we started getting a little older, we got into it with it used to be Windward versus Bond type shit. We used to go up there kicking their ass on Fulton Grade. Fulton used to be right there, free three ski on Fulton. I remember he came up there, got the tweaker one day on my grandma, putting motherfuckers on their head on my grandma.
Y'all feel like having tents on cars is important in Chicago, riding around?
Hell yeah.
If you're a main face, hell yeah.
Especially if you ain't got no gun. But that'll get you looked at too, and motherfuckers just blicking that car just cause they look fishy. So if your shit too tinted and you get the tweaking, motherfucker blick that bitch.
Just don't go down the
So it's really a
block,
50-50 chance that you gonna get away or some shit gonna happen for it. Cause motherfucker gonna be on them cars, but it's Chicago. And we
We supposed to be on your ass too.
Tow truck gonna be on that. Steady giving your ass tickets if they say you can't have no tent. They keep pulling you over you.
If you don't got no
all
license.
type of shit. Yeah, you feel me? That'll make them get on.
Do y'all feel like Chicago police be watching the internet? They be watching y'all on the internet?
Yeah, they be watching. They be watching and trying to put
yeah.
2 and 2 together, but they know they can't. Cause for like, what do we be doing for? We don't be doing shit.
Yeah.
We don't do shit to nobody.
They going after motherfuckers get shot.
They probably watch this video right now.
Motherfuckers, is this you? What is this? They ask motherfuckers after motherfuckers got shot. They ask motherfuckers, what is this? I'm so now. You can't
ask the motherfuckers, what is this?
Looking at your videos, trying to pit.
Yeah, for like,
if a motherfucker do that.
Look, say for instance,
shit we said.
Say for instance, somebody died in the hood, bam. On phone them, now they automatically looking at us like, alright, this probably done what the band. They listen to a song. What if we explain the shit, how the shooting actually happened? They gonna get on that, try to put 2 and 2 together, bring a motherfucker in for question, all type of goofy shit like y'all weird, bro. Just stop doing that like y'all know what y'all doing. For real.
That's our ass, really don't.
On my grandma to me, I just killed one.
Hey, ass.
Riding bikes, people can't ride bikes no more out here.
Hell no. Shit, it depends though on my grandma, cause
If you a known face, no. You can't walk, you can't ride bikes, you can't go nowhere without your gun.
Can't take the buses.
No bus, no none. Got always have a car.
No bus.
But that's what get your little ass.
No bus.
You gonna be gone.
No bus. No stop at the stove by close rides.
Ain't no waking up. Ain't
10
no
minutes, then hop back on.
waking up
No
middle of the night, go to the store and buy some blunts, loafing.
Ain't no
trying to
walking.
run back.
So it's mandatory, 24/7. Got to keep your gun on.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
You gotta get caught with it or whatever.
You get caught here 6 o'clock a.m.
You see how they catching motherfuckers making them strip and shit on camera, boy. They be on some zesty shit nowadays, gang. Phone no. You gotta keep that bitch up. You motherfucker trying to make a video.
What y'all gotta say for the people saying Chicago niggas only shoot niggas in the leg and don't be really killing like that?
Look, all I gotta say is go look at the murder rate. Look at the murder rate all the way back from 2010, some shit.
No, look.
That's all I gotta say.
Speak for everybody but us over here.
I ain't speaking for everybody. He talking about Chicago, period, though. So that's what I'm saying. Just go check the murder rate about Chicago. They saying motherfuckers only shoot motherfuckers in the leg.
They saying Chicago murder.
It's really all headshots to me. Every murder I really heard about motherfuckers got hit in their leg, head, anything. They got
brains hurt somewhere.
They got fucked up.
Like if you get shot in the leg, that's just a warning to me.
Well, if you get shot, that's just a warning to let motherfuckers know you move wrong. God told your ass you move wrong.
Or God telling you to go sit the fuck down somewhere.
Go play for a little bit. Don't be in the field like that, cause now it's always a warning. God go give you that warning.
Yeah, it's always a warning.
You better take it.
Go with your guts, bro. Don't never go against your guts.
Where we at right now, Inglewood? Do y'all feel like Inglewood real fucked up?
Hell yeah, boy. Yeah. You see how we
is, dangerous part ever.
This shit, I ain't gonna lie. This shit been going on for so long. This shit getting passed on. Oh, it's just gonna keep getting passed on, bro. You see, bro, we the new generation.
There's some more shorties go coming around here, be playing out the sound.
When we all down, they gonna say this they block. Probably some shorties right now in the crib probably grow up on this block, say this our shit, change it to some whole other shit.
We gonna have to let they little badass know ain't none of that shit going on. They just finna get with us and get lost.
But we don't always leave a mark right here. Y'all see, Larry Hoover, they know it used to be over there, you know, all that. They know we right here. We know. Niggas know. And look at phone popping out. Ooh, get them 2-6. You know how they coming. My twin though. You know, he's coming.
Where y'all see yourself in the next 10 years?
I see myself rich as fuck with phone.
Rich.
We gonna be rich as fuck.
In the store.
Yeah, I see
With a lot of
myself
ice
rich.
on. All clean.
Doing some shit we doing
phone
now,
now.
but just rich.
I be going
Where the
out.
woods at?
Right here. I'm finna roll up again too.
On phone now. And I'm coming back to get some of the shorties too. We going out on, we going every Sunday or something. We going out on something on phone now. You gotta come back and feed the hood, bro, cause they not gonna like you, G. They go, what the fuck are you doing this shit for if you ain't coming back to help your community, G? What the fuck are you doing? I don't give a fuck if you helping our little brothers or your little brothers. On phone now, you gotta come back and feed everybody, cause on phone now, people be fucked up, G. Real life fucked up, can't eat or shit. It get like that. On phone now. You really gotta go out there to do shit. On phone now.
What you want?
What's up, Kato?
After 30 on the bar. I'm up to 10.
What I say?
Yeah, animal, hell yeah. I was born ready.
Yeah.
I was say, y'all feel like the GDK, BDK will fuck Inglewood or fuck Chicago up?
Wait, what you say? Say that again.
Yeah, say it again.
I said y'all feel like the GDK, BDK shit fuck Chicago up?
Shit, Inglewood.
Really? Shit, on phone. Hey.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, it's fucking up cause people out of Chicago wanna be GDK.
It's fucked up
BDK.
Chicago for the citizens, not for the street
Yeah,
niggas.
not,
Like,
yeah.
for the niggas who like war, for the niggas who like this shit that we doing. It ain't fucking up for them type of people.
It
But for
fucked
the
up.
citizens, for the normal people,
Niggas who not on that wanna go to
Like,
school.
like motherfuckers.
Hang outside with their
Cause
family.
look, motherfuckers hear one gangster song and turn to a gangster cause they hear a gangster song.
Not even that, for it's just it's hurting
Yeah,
citizens,
thank you.
cause motherfucker, like you will be out there kicking it with your family, not even knowing that. You feel me? You a motherfucker come through, get the blowing, that motherfucker dunking and running, wondering who getting hit, who shot, who died. It's just all type of goofy shit that's fucking it up for them. They just trying to live a normal life. You feel me? And motherfuckers out here doing all type of extra goofy shit. But you know,
Y'all feel like it's important to watch every cut in y'all hood? Well, like,
yeah.
fuck it.
Yeah, yeah. We
hell yeah.
trying to buy every cut in our hood. You feel me?
Oh yeah.
bro, Chad, we get like 18, we gonna have this whole block bought. All these houses gonna be ours.
by the time bro turn 18,
Yeah,
this shit gonna be bought.
Oh yeah.
For sure. For sure. But our main goal right now is closing up all these cuts. All these gangways, turn that shit into something. That shit need to be something. A mini park, a little park or something.
Yeah, nah.
Both them. They
Nah,
turn this shit to
Pep,
the garage.
a big ass building.
Gee, son.
Yeah, another big ass building.
Close that shit out.
Y'all do parties or nah?
With our gang,
Yeah, no.
We go in front of Ville.
Yeah, for the field, hell yeah.
it's all gang in that
But
bitch.
on the
Other
8th,
than that, all them trans parties.
if we do parties, we do
That's
a
not
party
no-
for ourselves. We ain't invite nobody. We invite all
You feel me?
the motherfuckers who we be with.
No back door activity.
No backdoor activity over here. I don't even like that shit. You back, like, let's say, if you backdoor somebody,
Oh, yeah.
I kill
Yeah,
niggas who
okay,
backdoor somebody. That's not cool. That shit goofy as hell.
What other gangs in Inglewood?
Huh? You heard?
Like besides GD?
Keisha.
I said what other gangs in Inglewood besides GD?
Nah.
You got vice lords too.
Oh, this is y'all.
We just don't got that much in around the hood. You just got BDs and GDs, really.
Yeah.
That's what it really is on the south side. Inglewood. And Inglewood on Corner. For sure.
You know what I'm saying? Then like you said earlier, then Larry Hoover grew up over here.
Yeah, Larry Hoover grew up. They started in Spring. They on 6850 South Spring gangsters. So, if motherfuckers know their true history on this neighborhood, they know who the fuck we is. True.
Yeah. What's the everyday life with y'all?
Like you a London.
Stay humble, try to get somebody.
Get $1, man. Keep all the fuck shit out of our way.
Staying humble and trying to get some money like bro said, that was the best one. Staying humble with the rap shit, we know that shit gonna get us.
Chase our dreams, man.
You know?
Chase this money while
We
we
ain't
in the
gotta worry about
streets,
shit.
maintain.
Anything stepping our way, we gon' handle that. We don't need to worry about that. We thinking about this paper.
Straight.